morning. Investors remain in a dilemma as they neither want to sell too early nor buy too early. The Dow may be hitting new highs with marginal gains, but the Indian market has seen one of its worst sell-offs since the budget day. The opening is said to be muted, with investors keeping an eye on the inflation data. Finance Minister P. Chidambaram says various steps taken by the government will cool off food prices over a period of time. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh had told Parliament that economy will return to robust growth in 2 to 3 years. The Finance Ministry said the government's 12.5% stake sale offer in NALCO will hit the markets on March 15, mopping up around Rs 14 billion. The share sale through the OFS route will be held on Friday. The Italian connection continues to haunt various activities. A weak Italian bond auction triggered worries on the outlook of Europe's economy. Italy sold out its first issue of long-term debt at a higher rate. The Treasury sold €2 billion or $3.3 billion of a 15-year bond it first issued in January, paying a yield of 4.90% as compared with 4.81% at the initial sale. Eurozone factory output fell sharply in January too. In its bid to bring more clarity on the definition of control in the country's foreign direct investment policy, in sync with that in the company's bill, the Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion will soon move a cabinet note to amend the policy. Asian stocks mostly fell. Japan's Nikkei 255 is a tad higher, but Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index is down 0.8%, while China's Shanghai Composite Index was flat. South Korea's Kospi Index is down 0.7%. Australia's S&P or ASX 200 Index slid 0.8%. The Dow rose 5 points to close at an all-time high for the 7th straight day. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq closed flat but positive. An empowered group of ministers headed by Agriculture Minister Sharad Pawar cleared a comprehensive package of Rs 28.93 billion for 7 states to deal with the outcome of various natural calamities. The Supreme Court has approved the revised norms for infrastructure road projects that de-link the environment and forest clearances formulated by the Prime Minister's office last month to end the face-off between Environment and Forest Ministry and the National Highway Authority of India. The World Bank said it will give 3 to 5 billion US dollars to India in next 4 years to push development projects and poverty eradication programs. Trends in the FII flows. The FIIs were net buyers of Rs 3.03 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday, while the domestic institutional investors were net sellers of Rs 4.34 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 16.72 billion in the cash segment on Tuesday as per the figures released by SEBI. Our recommendations, the technical calls for the day. We recommend buying ITC above Rs 301 for a target price of 311 with stop loss placed at Rs 296. Derivative strategies, long Tata Chemicals March futures above Rs 327 for a target price of 336 with stop loss placed at 323. Thank you. I wish you have a good day ahead.